Hey Hormones and Wellness! Are you feeling tired, fatigued, sluggish? Perhaps you put on a few pounds this summer from drinking too much alcohol or eating too much sugar? If so, I understand. I'm Marlyn Diaz, certified nutritionist and wellness educator, here today to invite you to a very special event that I'm leading in collaboration with Florida Center for Hormones and Wellness called the 21-Day Transformational Food Cleanse. It's all about detoxing made easy. The event starts on Monday, September 27th. All the details are in the link below. The event will be centered around tips and tools and lifestyle rituals to help you feel and look your optimum best. I'll be sharing what foods can help you detox, why we need to detox, what rituals can help you detox, and also supplements to support your journey as well. It's going to be fun, informative, community supported, and all created for you to feel your best, to look your best, and to have more energy too. There's a lot more I'd love to share, but all the information is in the link below. And please reach out to Hormones and Wellness if you have any questions, or send me an email at Marlyn Wellness. I'm here to serve, I'm here to share, and I'm here to make this journey fun. I look forward to having you join us.